Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean is almost like the English letter S. To the east of this ocean are the continent of Europe and Africa, and the western side are North and South America, approximately occupying an area of about 10 crore 64 lakhs 60,000 square kilometer. It covers about 29% of the world ocean and about 20% of Earth's surface. So before we know about the formation of Atlantic Ocean, we should know about the formation of the Earth. About 1.1 billion years ago, there was only one continent on Earth. It is called Rodinia. Around 75 million years ago, it broke up and some parts moved to the southern hemisphere. 200 million years ago, Pangaea must have broken up to form two supercontinents. North side name is Laurasia and south side name is Gondwana land. 180 million years ago, the Gondwana land separated from northern Laurasia in the early Jurassic period. Present day Madagascar, Indian subcontinent, Australia and Antarctica are formed. Around 130 million years ago, western Gondwana broken up again into Africa in the east and South America in the west. Then again India separated from Madagascar about 90 million years ago. Let's move to the main topic. The Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest part of the Atlantic Ocean with a depth of 24,470 feet or more than about 8 kilometers with an average depth of about 3.5 kilometers. The Atlantic Ocean is bounded by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Pacific Ocean to the southwest, the Indian Ocean to the southeast, and the Southern Ocean to the south. The counter-equatorial stream divides the Atlantic Ocean into the North Atlantic and South Atlantic Ocean at about 8 degrees north latitude. Both warm and cold stream can be seen in the Atlantic Ocean. Warm stream are equatorial stream, anti-equatorial stream, Brazil stream, Caribbean stream, Florida stream, Gulf stream, etc. Cold stream are Canary stream, Falkland stream, Benguela stream, Greenland stream, Labrador stream, etc. The bulk of the Atlantic Ocean is so vast that the combined flow of warm and cold alternating stream produce plankton, zooplankton and phytoplankton on coral reefs, which are a significant resource for the survival of fish and other marine animals. Animals like green turtle, walrus, red tuna and sargassum fish, shark, blue whale, etc. are notable. The sea of Atlantic Ocean are Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Guiana Sea, Mexico Sea, Greenland Sea, North Black Sea, Baltic Sea, Libyan Sea, Celtic Sea, Labrador Sea, etc. Water temperature in the Atlantic Ocean varies with the latitudinal current system climate and reflect the variation of solar isolation along latitude. Temperatures range from a minimum of -2 degrees Celsius to a maximum of 30 degrees Celsius. maximum temperature are found north of equator and minimum temperatures are found in the polar region. As a result, the Atlantic is a relatively saline major ocean. So, the surface of the Labrador Sea, the Denmark Strait, and the Baltic Sea are usually covered with sea ice from October to June. However, it is clear that, on the other hand, warm water stream rotate clockwise across the North Atlantic Ocean, and anti-clockwise warm water stream is called the South Atlantic Ocean and flow across the South Atlantic. There are some mountain range, plateaus and valley under the Atlantic Ocean. So needless to say, on April 15, 1912, the Royal Mail steamer Titanic made voyage from Southampton to New York City. The accident occurred during the voyage about 609 km south of Newfoundland in the North Atlantic Ocean, which sank to a depth of about 12,500 feet or 4 kilometers around into the ocean. It is still visible today. Let's move to the main topic. In fact, hurricane cyclone form in the Atlantic Ocean around August and November. It is caused by the upwelling and collapse of a large mass of warm air above the surface as it encounters cold air mass, which then gradually become into a tropical storm. The reason for temperature variation, global warming, which plays an important role in creating this natural disaster. We humans are responsible for this. However, it can be said that we need to take care of nature so that this ocean become very important for communication between different continents and for the unending futures.